Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to Phonics. Today our Phonics paper has a really cool coloring picture on one side with a park ranger and some kids who kind of went on a hike. We're going to be putting their names in ABC order. So let me share my page and I hope that you get out your page 307 and 308. And like I said, it has like a coloring sheet on the front side. There it is. Perfect. So all these students or children's names begin with a different letter. We're going to number the children's names in ABC order, and then you're going to get the opportunity to color that whole picture. And you remember the coloring rules for first grade, right? We're not going to leave any area white. We're going to color in the lines, no scribble scrabble. We're going to do the best we can, right? Okay, let's go down to the bottom, and we're going to do ABC order first, okay? All right. If you're looking at all of these names, which one do you know for sure? I can already tell you what's the first one and what's the last one because I see an A and I see a Z. And all the other ones kind of come in between that, okay? So the first one, Abby, right? So let's write a number 1 there for Abby. Oh, that is, let's try that again. Still too thick. There we go. Okay, and then the next one would be, so A, B, C. Is there anything with a C? No B's. C's, yes. So Carter would be number 2. A, B, C, D. No. E. But now let's cross out the E and look at the T and the M because those are the two letters. The E, they both have an E. So we can't, that's not going to help us. We need to look at the next letter. What comes first, the M or the T? The M. Good job. So Emma's 3. That was easy because then you just do 2 at 1 right there. Ethan is 4th. What's next? Noah. Good job. And then Zoe, we know it at the end because Z is the last letter. Good job. All right. So what I'm gonna do is have you guys color the page after we're all done. Okay. And we're gonna skip to the back. Write the nouns as possessive nouns. You remember that nouns that are possessive show ownership. So if we're talking about a pencil, Miss Warner's pencil. So we add apostrophe S to it for Miss Warner's pencil. And the S means the pencil that belongs to Miss Warner. Now, we don't talk like that. We could say the pencil that belongs to Miss Warner is white, right? But we don't talk like that. We say Miss Warner's pencil. The cup that belongs to David is filled with milk. We don't talk like that, right? That sounds so silly. And it's adding just all these extra words that we don't need. They're not necessary. So let's get started with the word. So they actually give you the word down here, the word that you need to turn into possessive. Are you ready? Oh, and then 2 things to remember, apostrophe S, okay? All right, the park ranger told her parents about the park's program just for kids. Park, apostrophe S. And an apostrophe, remember, this is kind of hard to see. An apostrophe, remember, looks like a comma, but it's up above, okay? There we go. I like that better. All right, the activity books pages were full of interesting things to look for and do in the national park. Books. Nice. A park ranger's job is exciting and important. Rangers. All right, we did it. Good job. Let's keep going. Make the incomplete thoughts into sentences by adding your own words. Okay, after I woke up this morning, is that a complete sentence? No, because it's not a complete thought. They didn't finish. I still have questions about that. Well, what happened after you woke up this morning? Well, we're not exactly sure, right? So we need to add that part. So what they're asking you to do is finish off that sentence. After I woke up this morning, I ate breakfast. That's what I'm going to write. Am I missing anything here? Yep, the period. Good job. I noticed 3 large yellow, hmm, what did you notice? 3 large yellow birds outside of my window? My kitchen window since I was having breakfast. And actually, I have been seeing a bird in my area that's really bright yellow, like orangey yellow and black and yellow. So pretty. It's so different too, because I've never seen a bird like that. Then I heard a squeaky, hmm, a squeaky what? A squeaky car drive by. Have you guys ever heard a squeaky car? Drive by outside. All right. I was so surprised to find what? I was so surprised to find my puzzle in the bathroom. That's silly. Why would your puzzle be in the bathroom? Okay, let's keep going. Oh, we're down to the end of the page. Look at that. Underline the verb twice and the subject once. So we're gonna diagram the sentences. Draw a line between the subject and the predicate. Remember, the predicate is also known as the verb, and a verb means action. So Carl saw 3 bison on Tuesday. Who are we talking about? Carl. And what did he do? He saw. So underline Carl and saw. We're going to underline it twice. Okay. Then the way that you diagram this, it kind of makes sense. Carl saw. Easy peasy. All right. Carl's sister slept in the camper. Who are we talking about here? Carl? No, we're talking about his sister. So right after sister, she what? She slept. Okay. And really, we don't have to underline Carl in this because we're talking about his sister. So I underlined it. You can, you don't have to, but we're not going to diagram it. We're just going to write sister. We don't have to write Carl's sister. Sister, and what did sister do? She slept. Sister slept. Now, if you put anything else in that sentence, if I said sister and I put camper, that doesn't really make sense. But sister slept makes a lot more sense, okay? Abe took 6 pictures on his bike. Well, what is the who or what? Abe. Very good. Let's draw our line to divide the sentence right there. And what did Abe do? He took pictures, right? But Abe took. That is what we diagram. Because took is the action word. Friends, it was another amazing time in Phonics with you. And we definitely zoomed right through that paper. You guys are so smart. You guys are doing so good. I'm so proud of you. All right, friends, we will see each other again in math. And for those of you who have reading group with me today, I can't wait to see your faces. Bye.